Hello everyone, myself Dr. Renu Chaudhary, Assistant Professor, Department of Rachna Sharir, Shri Ram Ayurvedic Medical College and Hospital, Meerut. Today I will describe in brief what is neuroanatomy or nervous system. The word neuroanatomy means anatomy of nerve because it is most complex system of the body. That's why it is most difficult to understand structurally and functionally. It regulate and coordinate all the system of the body like respiratory system, cardiovascular system, locomotory system, digestive system, and urogenital system. Nervous system regulates all body activities like voluntary and involuntary actions. What is voluntary action? Which action performed consciously by the person is called as voluntary action. There are some examples of voluntary action like eating a cake, riding a bicycle, walking, playing the piano, coming to school, etc. Now, what is involuntary action? Which action performed unconsciously by the person is called as involuntary actions. There are some examples of involuntary actions like your heartbeat, breathing, blinking, removing hand from hot object, salivation, etc. Nervous system is also responsible for judgment, intelligence, and memory. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.